Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko, and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the U.S. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to Buffalo and have some fun. Yeah. Today you're going to learn a turning tap step. There's no really technical name for it, but I'm going to just call it the corkscrew step. How about that? It's great for ankle work, and it allows you to learn how to shift your weight when you're tap dancing. And plus the syncopation of it is pretty cool. If we're turning left, you're going to cross with the right foot. So you're going to go shuffle, crossing in front, dig, heel, heel, that's right, left, then toe, toe, going right, left, toe, toe, so now you're facing back, and then you got to flip yourself around. So it looks like this. Bum, 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 bum. So you're almost three-quarters of a way around. Then you're going to chug or stomp with your right foot. It's more like a chug. Chug. So by this point, you should get around. So this definitely requires spotting. Spotting meaning pick a spot in front of you, and it's as if somebody called your name. Hey, Natalie. And you turn to flick your head around so that you don't get dizzy. We're going to turn to the right and do the same exact thing. So now, turning to the right, you're going to shuffle using your left foot, crossing over the right. Shuffle. Then you're going to go dig with the left, heel, heel, going left, right to face upstage or back. Heel, heel. And then toe, toe, going left, right, left, right. Now we're facing front. Got to do our chug on the left. Chug. Then 3 running flaps, starting with the right. Full lap, full lap, full lap. Chug on the left. So that it sounds like this. A 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. As you're turning, you are rocking back and forth. And if you don't do that and you're like stiff like Tin Man Wizard of Oz, probably not going to work out for you. Okay, let's try the right and the left back to back. So turning to the right first, crossing with our left foot. A 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.